this video, we will show you how to install Redesign Windows 11 by Rectified. This Windows 11 have newest design with consistent UI UX. And if you know on Windows 11 have dark mode, but there is something inconsistent because some element or some window is still using white color. Not only that, this Windows 11 redesign is have option to make starts like Windows 10. Let's see how it works. After you load the ISO files, for you who want to install this version of Windows 11 redesign, we put link into description so you can download this ISO file. Just see the link on the description. After that, you can click next. Then choose I don't have a product key. Then select the accept the license terms. Select custom, and in here I'm allocated approximately 40 gigabytes. Then choose click next. This Windows 11 is very fast. You can see the installation process. Nothing lag or nothing something that make the Windows 11 is slower. In this process, we can just click restart now to make the faster. We must respect these people who contribute to maximum the process of this Windows 11 redesign. They say that something is not needed in Windows 11 is deleted in this version of Windows. After that process, the Windows 11 redesign automatically show the desktop. So you need to be patient to waiting the administrator load until this is appear. You can see it has a consistent UI UX with the color. Let's try to using dark mode in here. Okay, I want to using personalization and choose the theme color. Okay, we need to activate, but let's activate this. I will pause the video first. Okay, I already activate this Windows 11. This Windows 11 is so fast. I'm not lie, it's so fast. Then this is the consistent UI UX. I will show you if we create some text. Okay, let's create some file in here, and I will just copy this to another. Okay, I will review this Windows 11 redesign in the next video. This is so fast. Oh, I'm very impressed in here, guys. So I need to make post about this Windows 11. Very happy in here. Okay, it's too small. We need bigger files in here. Let's download some file. Okay, I will pause this video. Okay, I download the file 10 megabytes and I copy in many files in here. Let's make paste in here. Wow, it's very fast, guys. I cannot show how the process. Okay, let's copy this again. I will copy again these files. Okay, let's copy again. It's very fast. I cannot show the bar, usually white on Windows default. You can see this is it's black. Okay, got it. You can see just it's very fast. Okay, I will create the video about this new redesign Windows 11. It's very fast. Oh, I'm impressed. I'm very impressed. Okay, okay. Let's review again. I want to learn about this Windows. Thanks for watching and bye bye.